Take a ride in the 2012 Hyundai Azera. The perfect combination of comfort and convenience, the Hyundai Azera is roomy, refined, and loaded with standard features. The Azera's quiet confidence proves that performance is another form of luxury. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, climate control. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.